The best way to understand statistics is by solving real problems. At SSI, every semester is packed with hands-on projects and training that prepare students to tackle practical challenges confidently. Students at SSI collaborate on projects that solve real-world problems. For instance, they have conducted a customer satisfaction study for Pune MAHA Metro and assessed how urban parks meet public needs. These projects involve live data, pushing students to craft solutions with immediate relevance. To make this possible, we view tools like Python and Excel into curriculum, teaching not just theories but their application with software used by top industries. Our curriculum also adapts constantly to industry demands with expert inputs ensuring it stays current. By graduation, students have already practiced on tools and problems they will encounter in the workplace. At SSI, we turn classroom learning into expertise that seamlessly fit into the workplace, ensuring our students are career ready.